Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is
wash.
Here are some words related to the base word.
Washed, washer, washes, washing, washtub, hand washing, mouthwash, rewash.
Now learn how to use each word in a sentence.
Please wash the lid carefully. She washed the pot with a sponge. The washer is on the rinse cycle. She washes the car with a rag. She is washing her hair. The dog is in the wash tub. Practice proper hand washing. After brushing your teeth, rinse with a mouthwash. The strawberries need a rewash.
If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.